Okay, so good afternoon, everybody. I'm making this video not because this is how I intend to start 2024. I intend to start this year chill, happy, and like cruising. I want to cruise from now to the end of this year. But you people in Nigeria, you will not let somebody rest. So it's the 4th of January 2024. You do not have good things to do in your life than to be bashing gay people. You people have started again. I will mention him. First is Tunde Edunot that started, or Edunot, or whatever that one name is, that started it. Posting something about somebody who is gay and is married and is having children and is having gay sex. Of all people, of all the people in this world, Tony Lawani now put mouth. The same thing Lawani all over Lagos, gay people are our friends. So gay people are the people that made her who she is. Now she now go and put mouth. But let us talk about this thing. If you people are not running mad, is it not in this same Nigeria that 57 gay people were paraded on your screen? You people, you're watching it. Your stupid journalists were putting microphone in their mouths and asking them, why are you gay? Why are you all of these things? All of you people jumped on Linda Ikeji, just on Instablog now, just jumped on Edwinot, laughing and commenting, Sodom and Gomorrah, yada, 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 yada. Or is it not in the same Nigeria that when gay people, when they get married, a gay man who marries a gay man, all of you will come there, you'll be yarning rubbish, you'll be raining curses, you'll be abusing them. But when a gay person now goes and marry woman, gbogbo yẹn wá kó ṣìyẹn papọ̀ sórí internet, ẹ wá máa pariwo òṣì, ẹ máa lanu, wọ́n tún ti fẹ́ wá o, orí gbogbo yín ò pé. Nítorí pé kí ni, bí mo ṣe sọ, this is not how I plan to start my 2023, but lè jẹ́ kí, lè jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ yẹn, I don't even know how to speak Yoruba. You will not let somebody stay in peace and enjoy peace. Because you people, something is wrong with your head. It is in this same stupid Nigeria that a gay person will get fired for being gay. It's this same stupid Nigeria that you people, you'll be shouting and crying and making noise. But when gay people try to hide and pretend and just try to just get by with their life, to be able to put food on their table, to be able to shut you people up, to be able to just try and just survive. And you know, you gather yourself together. You now be running your mouth like you have diarrhea. Hey, she be new. Sherry 2004 2024 I became a broker 2024 tawai. Ti bari ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan tí mo mọ̀ rí. Tó jẹ́ ge tó bá no fẹ́ obìnrin. Èmi ni ma fún wọn lówó màálù. Ma tún bá wọn pelére, ma tún mú aṣọ ẹbí, ma tún lọ síbẹ̀, ma tún jó. Nítorí pé kíni? Until you people stop your madness of hating gay people, you will not know peace. For as long as you people say people like me will not know peace, and you will not know how to spread peace in your life. Let us all kuku start this violence. Shebi you say we no go green. We no go green, don't we? You no go green. We no go green. Make all of us no green. Badun.